Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do boo boo ba do a do.
Hello everyone! It is time for me to show off my pretty fingernails. No clue what order I'll put these videos out in, but Melissa sent me some happy mail and in it was some fingernail stickers and I'm showing them off. But Christmas in May continues. It is my birthday month, so yeah. My craft desk is more of a mess than usual, so I'm pretty zoomed in, but I think all of this is pretty small. I miss the Temu bags that were orange. Can we petition to get those back? Or, oh, that's unfortunate. Do we write a congressman about getting, oh God, the orange Temu bags back? Trying not to show. Okay, I'll deal with that disaster later. Okay, so I forgot what I ordered. I got excited about dyes because I forgot I ordered some dyes. So as we all know, I can't pick this up. One of the problems with one of the not problems, but one of the challenges or downsides, negatives with Temu is that sometimes the packaging is less than ideal. So I got, I think it was like about 300, it'll say somewhere on here for you, of these eye pins. And apparently it's a 52 pickup situation. So yay. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of those in here somewhere. I also, I see other stuff that I got that I forgot I got. So that's exciting. I also got these. I've seen people use them. So these are for jump rings. It's a ring splitter that you wear on your finger. It came in a set of 2. So maybe that's happy mail for somebody. Where to start? Okay. Oof. Let's see. Are these jump rings? I don't know. Again, I placed this order when I was away and I didn't have something to measure with. I'm going to have to throw... Okay, it's chain. That's fine. I'm going to have to throw a tape measure or something in a small ruler in there. So this is, not in screen. This is chain to make danglies. So, there's a lot. I thought they were jump rings and I was like, oh my God, those are so tiny. But it's actually just the chain part. And, yeah, that'll work perfect. That's just what I was looking for. I'm going to dig through. I know I got some other chain. I don't have any idea if this will work or not, but I want to find out and I want to try. Okay, problem with fingernail stickers is that I now feel like my fingers are twice as big as they used to be. These, I've seen other people haul these, and I feel like they'll work to hang things off of. They're little stars. And I did notice one of those right here looked a little wonky, but you know, it's inexpensive. I don't think anybody will notice on a dangle, but that's exciting. And I think, yeah, I also got hearts. Temu time. I need a Temu time song, I feel like. These are, the hearts seem a little smaller, maybe harder to hang the, I don't know, we'll find out. We'll find out, you know, they weren't very expensive. Okay, so jump rings. These are, do you tell me? 4mm, 200 of them. I don't know. They look kind of small, but they also look like maybe they'll work. One way to find out, right? These are 6mm, 200. And those kind of look big. So, or these were 4 and these are 6. Yeah, so maybe I want 5. I don't know, man. Oh, I feel like I'm missing some. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. The cool thing with Temu is that if there's not as many of these as there's supposed to be, they'll refund me and I can just reorder. Or maybe there's a there's a package and the package is just open. So I also got, I think these are called head pins. Well, I'm not going to take them out of the package. I think you can see them good enough. So these have the little tiny stoppers on the end instead of the loop. So I got some of those. So yeah, I get, oh. So this very nice Ziploc bag just split on the edge. So 52 pickup. It's something I already opened. Yeah, it's one of the chains. Oh, I got this. I forgot. See, this is why I do this. They double bagged it. So, in case anybody was wondering, and sorry if I just made the camera jiggle, I was literally kind of jumping up and down with my feet on the ground. I was bending my knees and bouncing. In case anybody is wondering why my channel's name is Crafting Chaos and Husky Glitter. It's not dog hair, it's husky glitter. So I got that as like a little theme for my channel. And then I watched some videos and they used earring backs to make the little stopper things for the glue, which I definitely need. So I got a package of earring backs. So that was the reason for this order, was jewelry findings. And speaking of finding, I obviously found some additional goodies. So these I'm pretty excited about. I hope to either join a unicorn swap or make a unicorn swap sometime in the future. So I was planning ahead. Oh my God, these are so adorable. What? Oh, come on. Escape. For once, I want you. Look at how freaking cute these are. Oh my gosh, there's different colors, I swear. Well, there's a yellow and a blue, and there's apparently a lot of blue. I was thinking, I don't know if there's any other colors, honestly. Oh, there's a purple. Ah, they're cute. I love them. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'll deal with that later. And oh yeah, no, they came like that. I was like, that's interesting. Now I remember. So this was a stamp set that I'd been looking at because, again, I want to do underwater stuff. I am a scuba diver. I'm actually getting ready to go on my first scuba vacation later this week. So who knows when these videos will get out. They might actually go out after my scuba vacation. But I have been looking at these. So they were in my cart. And then I noticed that with the die cuts that match them or come with them, I don't remember now which it is, there are also some tags. So there's die cuts for the turtles, but there's this one that would make good for sentiments, not sediments. And then these tags, I don't have any tag dies really. So it was an excuse to buy that. So it was oh wait, one more thing. So I also got this. I do foiling. And I noticed that they do have foil on Temu, and I have not tried it. It did come slightly destroyed in the corner. Again, I know if I complain, they'll make it right. So I'm going to give this a try. I'll have to do a video. I just got some foilables recently from a scrapbook.com order. So we'll give this a try and see how it works. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me for this little haul. Sparkly nails. I'm like thoroughly entertained by my own fingernails. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ask any questions you have and all of that good stuff, but keep on crafting and I will, I'm like, what do I usually do? I do thumbs up. I will see you soon.